I run 5 YouTube channels and I got videos with CPM like this, and then I also have videos with the CPM like this. And I know that's a massive difference. So in this video, I will show you exactly what to do to increase your CPM. So CPM stands cost per mil, meaning how much you will earn per 1,000 views on YouTube. And of course, CPM on your channel will fluctuate and there's nothing you can do about it. There are some seasons when your CPM will go higher and then when it will go a little bit lower, and generally it will never stay exactly the same. It will always fluctuate and you really cannot do anything about it. But what you can do is to be aware of what content you are producing and what content is generally getting a higher CPM. So you have great tools first to start with, and that's your YouTube Analytics Studio, where you can see your videos that are performing better in terms of CPM and the ones that are not performing so well. So if you look and find those videos that are performing better and generating more in ad revenue for you, obviously do try to copy either the titles or topics you are talking about. Try to recreate some sort of similar content and see whether that will help you to generate higher CPM. But what to do if you don't see any higher CPMs on your YouTube studio at all? Well, keep on watching and I will tell you what to do. Now, the one thing you have to understand, it all goes down to the money. How much advertisers can potentially make by placing ads on your videos. So you need to think of what can be sold out from your video to your audience who is watching your content. Now, there are niches that will always have a bit higher CPM than other, and if you are just about to start your YouTube channel and you really want to go into those, so let me give you a couple of examples. So these are the niches that will generally have a higher CPM: investing, trading, marketing, including affiliate marketing, finance, web development, including web hosting, and insurance. Now, when it comes to tech and softwares and web development or content creation, you can always implement product reviews. Product reviews is a great way how to attract specific audience who already probably searching for some sort of product, and you can create content about it, and that can make brands and companies buy it and directly place ads on your videos. So for example, if you are targeting and creating videos about, let's say, content creation, you could just take 2 cameras and then compare them. So you're already attracting 2 audiences who are considering to purchase either of these cameras, and you also are attracting these cameras manufacturers, the companies and the brand owners who might potentially place ads directly on your video, simply because they know that people who are gonna come and watch these videos are the ones who are genuinely interested in this product, and the chances that they will buy from the ad on your video are really high and they will be willing to pay more. Now, if you are just about to start your YouTube channel, there are 10 tips you have to know. So go ahead, watch this video as our next one, and I'll see you there.